Oh, he'll be dancing. You just wait. We're so happy to be here with American Aquarium this evening. Y'all excited to see those fellas? We are as well. We always love the pleasure to get to play with those folks.
They're all talented, and at the end of the day, they're all still humble, incredible individuals, man. You guys should talk to them.
I mean, and just incredible good looking, on top of that. That's just a plus. Not, no promises. This is a tune of ours off our latest record. This one's called Wait For Me in the Fall. Take me back to old Carolina. Oh, you can't run away with me. I know I can't give you all you hope for, but I can give you all you need. Give me something soft like sweet living. Give me something in this world I can't believe. No, I don't need much to get by. But your skin is all I need. Could you wait for me in the fall? Could you wait for me in the fall? I could love you in the fall. Love you in the fall. I will sit here, wait for you forever. But I know it'll take some time. I would move on if this heart would let me, but I know it'd be a lie. Oh, I know it'd be a lie. Could you wait for me in the fall? Could you wait for me in the fall? I could love you in the fall. Love you in the fall. Give it up for Mr. Sam Bam. Sam Bam, you everybody.